Hey y'all, in today's video, I'm going to go over how to find the right vendors. Why should you trust me? As you can see, I made $13,000 off reselling on eBay. Nothing crazy. I'm not flexing. I'm just trying to show y'all and teach y'all. First off, I myself am a vendor. If you click my description, you can join my Telegram for free and I will supply you and I'll get you what you want. But if you want to get stuff from my vendors, which is where I sell to you, you can buy my vendors for the low price of $9.99. And I have Meta glasses on there, Spider hoodies, denim tiers, high quality, low prices, China vendors and USA vendors, so you don't have to wait for shipping. I even have drop shipping vendors. Just a quick video telling you how to find vendors because some people struggle with it. So yeah, if you need a vendor, just click the link in the description and you're good. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Help me out.